everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Rich on Life Lofts. I am Rich, and I happen to be at my 5-mile toss. Got my birds in here, 45 of them. Hopefully this will work out. I've been slowly jumping them because they have not been ranging, but lately, like on this morning's toss, they were gone for about 30 minutes. I mean, they flew for about an hour, but they were actually out of sight and gone for about 30 minutes. So that was definitely a bonus. So I went like literally 1,000 feet, 1 mile, 1.5 miles, 3 miles. I did 3 miles twice, and now I'm doing 5. So home is that way, and I'm gonna let them go. And I'm pretty sure I'll beat them home, but I'm gonna do them twice from right here. There's Old Nashville Highway running up to Spring Hill. So let me open them up and see what happens. I know everybody didn't go. This guy here never goes. Oh, okay. So there they go. Grouping up nicely. Got the late one right there behind them. Nice little flock. So I'm gonna head home, and I'll bring you back when they land. Okay, I'm home. No birds in sight yet, which I didn't expect. Let me get this trap dropped, get their thing open so if I do get here, they can come in. Now I'm gonna try to catch it, or today he's gonna probably make me a liar. I've got a black and white pied bird that just flies in the loft when I get back. Oh, see the fantails out in the aviary? I put them both with the hens. They're pretty interesting birds. That pied right there in the front is a cockbird, and the blue bar fantail is the hen. But these are my hens. I guess I can go over here and show you these birds. I haven't showed you these in a while. I flew the old birds today, so let me get this closed up. These are my old birds. Oh, sorry about that. These are my old birds. Flying pretty good. They fly every day. Actually, I open the door and they take off and they're gone for an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. It just depends. These guys are doing really, really well. Over here are my breeding cocks. They're all doing really, really well also. No problems with them. Now, next year's breeding might not include these. It might include these. I don't know yet. A lot of it's going to depend on how my race team does. I know that, if I, get my top cock and my top hen, no matter where they come on the sheet, are going to be, breeders. So I'm going to pick most of my breeders up out of, the new race team. But I'm going to go over here and sit in the shade. Maybe pop me a frothy adult beverage and wait for the birds to return. I'll be back in a little while. Hey, the birds just got back. Looks like a pretty good group. They've been flying for, I guess, about 25 minutes. It took them to get back, which isn't bad. Let's look for this black and white pied. See how he does. See if they're ready to come in and land. We got a lot of trees around here, so they do lots of little circles. Come on. There he is right there on the landing board. He's not going to be the first one in today, but he's normally one of the first ones in. Here they come. I'm really happy that they're landing. They're coming back and they're coming in. So, because they know I'm about to feed them. As everybody knows, the only training we have is food. They're hitting the water pretty good. They were given fresh grit this morning after their morning feeding. So let me grab their food. This red cup is their nightly ration. Nope. Spilled some. Come back here in the back. Well, that's not all of them. They must be hanging around outside. Let's go look. But I'm going to take them to the same place tomorrow. Come on, guys. Come on. See, they're not panting anymore. They're in much better shape. I've got a bunch of birds that will not go into the loft until I'm out of the loft. I haven't figured that out yet. Come on. Come on, birds. Come on. I just noticed over here that fantail is chasing that white hen. So he's chasing birds. What are you doing, buddy? Come on, let's go. Let's get it. Come on, let's go in. Let's go in. Well, by the time they get in, all the food will be gone. Here they go. And that's about what normally happens. About half my birds trap right away, and the other half take a little while before they start trapping. And I know they're ready to eat, if you can tell by the rest of them. That little one right there. I really like that bird. It's got a nice looking feathers on it. Well, I think that's all of them. I mean, that's not too bad. They trapped in what, 5 minutes? Which I know 5 minutes can make or break a race. But I think this video is already going to be on a little past my limit, so I think I'll go ahead and cut it off here. Tomorrow I'm going to take them to the same place let them go again. And what I'm doing is our club flies south. So I'm working my way south. And I basically doing a 45-degree angle from my loft to the highway. Highway 65 that runs through Alabama, and that's where they're released from. So I'm just taking them down that way, get them used to that path. Maybe they'll learn where on the highway to brake. So we'll have to see. But thank you for watching. Please like the video. Please leave a comment for me. I answer all my comments, and I will see you on the next one.